The only port of Lithuania, Klaipėda, country's gateway to the world, welcomes local and foreign boats, sailors and visitors. Klaipėda, the most important and largest sea, motorway and railway transportation hub in our country. The port operations generate about 4.5% of Lithuania's GDP. Even more, with its indirect business share, it makes nearly 18% of the country's GDP. More than 800 different types of companies, which employ over 23,000 people, are engaged in port-related activities. Moreover, about 185,000 indirect jobs are created by the port activity. All in all, the port income amounts to over €450 million per year. The port is not only a catalyst of the country's economy, a liquefied natural gas terminal with its annual capacity of almost 4 billion cubic meters offers the country LNG supply alternatives, thus secures its energy independence. Klaipėda Port Authority alone allocates about €2.7 million per year for the welfare of the city. Another €1.5 million a year for the city's social projects, events and infrastructure is allocated by private port companies. The port is also a sponsor and organizer of maritime, cultural, sports events, hosting and funding sailing, basketball, football competitions, musical festivals, and maritime heritage projects. Strong synergy between the city and the port allows people to enjoy maritime travel and build new cultural ties. The largest cruise ship accommodated in Klaipėda, 317 meters. In comparison, this corresponds to the length of 3 football grounds, and the height is equal to a 20-story building. Klaipėda Castle and Smiltynė marinas are centers of maritime tourism lovers. Svenselle, situated close to Klaipėda, is famous for Europe's largest kitesurfing spots. The Curonian Spit, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a place of unique natural and sandy dunes, and ancient local culture of fishermen's farmsteads. The house of the world-famous writer Thomas Mann is situated here. Palanga, the country's biggest resort town, welcomes guests to visit the unique Amber Museum, with its world's largest collection of amber fossilized insect inclusions. The port enriches the city with maritime events, and the old town's symbols and spectacular scenery create a modern rhythm in the port city. The Baltic Sea, Klaipėda's source of inspiration, the port, catalyst of its socio-economic welfare.